This is how Google will sneak into the market and compete with its competitors with the price of new Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Google already showed the first glance of Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and now the price of both devices is confirmed. Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are one of the cheapest flagship devices in this year, starting from $599 for base model Pixel 7 and $899 for Pixel 7 Pro, which is way less than the Galaxy S22 Ultra at $1,200 and $1,100 iPhone 14 Pro Max. Even base model iPhone 14 and S22 base model are at $799, $200 more than Pixel 7. Google is keeping the same price as the last year Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, but this price is for the US market. As you can expect, because of inflation, European market may see some price jump, just like what Apple did with the iPhone 14 lineup. But for those who are ready to pre-order Pixel 7, you will get a $100 gift card, or if you pre-order Pixel 7 Pro, then you guys will get a $200 gift card. The pre-orders will start from the October 6th, and the phones will hit the market on October 13th. As per Insider Image, the front of the Pixel 7 Pro looks more like a Pixel 6 Pro, but less curvy, which is a good design change. But both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will get the same displays from the last year, 6.3 inches 90Hz on Pixel 7 and 6.7 inches 120Hz on Pixel 7 Pro. There are 3 color options you guys will get on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Pixel 7 will get Snow, Obsidian, and Lemongrass, where Pixel 7 Pro will get Obsidian, Hazel, and Snow. Not too fancy, just a custom name for black and white color though. This year, Google is not after a raw performance, and that is why Pixel 7 Pro could be far behind its competitors when it comes to raw performance. A minor update over the last year, just 10% with the new Tensor G2 chipset. But Google is improving the GPU, which is 20% faster than the last generation. Google is working more on the software instead of hardware, so it will be great to see how well Google will manage to give better performance over competitors. Google is going with the same 3 lenses on the back with the Pixel 7 Pro, where the main shooter is 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel telephoto, highest in any smartphone. But things to notice, Google is working on machine learning to improve the performance, which means we are going to get an amazing performance from Pixel 7 Pro cameras. Last year, people were complaining about the Pixel 6 Pro battery, and this time it seems like we are going to get the same 5000 mAh battery. But the thing to notice, Google's new Tensor Gen 2 chipset is more power efficient than the last generation, so we can expect a better battery backup on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Pixel 7 will be more powerful, but if you want to know how powerful it will be, then you can check this video. You guys will be surprised. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.